Pilipino.
Shame on you, Claire, anti-Claire.
Ninyo ang kwarta sa flood control.
Shame on you, anti-Claire, anti-Claire.
Please,
What a cry baby!
please, bring the money to the Filipino people. We have a big flood control projects come right now.
I think we can hear you without that.
Kapal ng mukha.
You can film all you want, no problem, but they feel threatened by you guys, just let them be. You can film them all you want, no problem.
We are harmless. We just want to let them know.
Feel free to say whatever you want.
She keeps on lying. She lies. No, they're not harassing. She lies. They're not harassing.
Oh, come on. Harassing? Look what you did in the Philippines.
No, we are not violent.
She's a liar! Sinungaling! Sinungaling!
Sinungaling.
Sinungaling! Pangit! Pangit!
She's enabling the massive corruption in the Philippines.
She pocketed billions of pesos!
Yes!
Yeah!
Yes.
Maleta gang! You're one of the Maleta gang!
Pangit mo! Ang pangit mo! Putang ina mo! Putang ina mo! Putang ina mo! Pangit mo! Putang ina mo! Putang ina mo! Putang ina mo! Putang ina mo! Kamatay ka na sana! Kamatay ka na! Putang ina mo!
Di.
Nako, nakakahiya na talaga yun. Nakakahiya na talaga yung gobyerno ngayon. Kahit sa ibang bansa na pinagmumura na yung anti-Claire ninyo. Grabe. Grabe yung galit ng buong Pilipino. Kasi nga, puro kasinungalingan ang pinagbabalita ninyo. Kaya pinagmumura na kayo kahit saang bansa pa kayo pumunta. Dahil maraming nagagalit sa inyo. Yan. Yan ang pinakamaganda. Talaga naman pinagmumura kayo.